How did consciousness evolve in the brain? At some point, somewhere in the vast chain of life, something strange happened. A spark, a flicker, a moment of awareness. Somewhere between crawling cells and conscious thought, we began to know that we exist. But how? How did consciousness evolve? Inside the brain. Stay with me, because this story isn't just about biology. It's about you and the mystery behind the voice inside your head. The problem of consciousness. Let's start with a hard truth. No one fully understands consciousness. Not philosophers, not neuroscientists, not even AI. You are experiencing something right now. You hear my voice. You might feel the chair beneath you, the weight of your body, thoughts passing through your mind. But none of this explains how or why any of it is happening. Your brain is made of neurons, electrical signals, chemical reactions, all physical. So how does that translate into awareness? This is called the hard problem of consciousness. And it's not just a scientific puzzle. It's the mystery at the heart of being human. Consciousness and evolution. To understand how consciousness evolved, we need to rewind, way back. Billions of years ago, life began with single-celled organisms. No brain, no mind, no awareness. But over time, evolution shaped creatures that could sense the world. Light, vibration, temperature, basic signals to avoid danger or find food. Then came something remarkable. Nervous systems. Bundles of neurons passing information. Early brains. Small but powerful. Now imagine this. A fish in ancient seas not only reacts to a threat, it starts to anticipate it. It remembers. It learns. It feels fear. This, scientists believe, may have been the beginning of subjective experience. The roots of what we now call consciousness. From awareness to self-awareness. As brains got more complex, so did experiences. Mammals began to show signs of emotions, pleasure, pain, bonding. Primates developed memory, problem-solving, even empathy. But something shifted when our ancestors gained self-awareness. They didn't just experience the world. They became aware that they were experiencing it. They could recognize themselves in mirrors, plan for the future, worry, hope. This leap is what separates a conscious animal from a conscious being. So when did that happen? The answer likely lies in the prefrontal cortex, a region of the brain responsible for decision-making, imagination, and identity. As this area expanded in hominids, so did our sense of I, a mind inside a body, moving through time. Why did consciousness evolve? But here's the big question. Why would evolution create something as complex and mysterious as consciousness? One theory: survival. A conscious brain can simulate outcomes. It can imagine danger, make decisions, learn from mistakes, without having to die first. It can also navigate social worlds, track allies, rivals, and relationships, understand emotions, read intentions. Consciousness made us cooperative, and that made us powerful. Another theory suggests consciousness was a side effect, a strange byproduct of brains getting too good at modeling the world, and eventually modeling themselves, like a mirror inside the mind. The limits of science. Despite all our advances, we still don't know exactly how brain activity becomes experience. We can map neurons, track thoughts, even link brainwaves to emotions. But we can't yet explain the feeling of being alive. That warm, buzzing hum behind your eyes. That inner voice. That silent you. Some scientists believe we're getting closer. Others say we may never crack it. Maybe consciousness isn't produced by the brain at all. Maybe it's something deeper, emergent, relational, or even fundamental to the universe itself. The mystery within. In the end, the story of consciousness is the story of us. From tiny sparks in primitive fish to the rich, reflective minds listening to this right now. Somehow, matter learned to know itself. Neurons became thoughts. Brains became beings. You are the latest chapter in a 4 billion-year experiment, a fleeting ripple of awareness, in a universe that may not even understand itself. So ask yourself, what will you do with your moment of consciousness? If you found this journey as mind-bending as we did, hit like and subscribe for more stories at the edge of science and philosophy. And let us know in the comments. What do you think consciousness really is? Thanks for watching. Stay curious.